Let's bring in former National Treasurer of the Labour Party, Julius Abure, who joins me live on the news at 10. Mr. Abure, one judgment, two different interpretations. What's the implication of this on the leadership and the operation of your party, Mr. Abure?
Yeah, good evening to you. Good evening, Nigerians. I want to state emphatically that the Julius Abure, NWC, or whatever he chooses to call himself or themselves, have been sacked by the Supreme Court. You know, sometimes last year, precisely June of last year, our tenure, Abure's tenure, my tenure came to an end on the 8th of June of last year. By so doing, Abure went ahead to do a kangaroo convention in Newi on the 27th of March, which, of course, he didn't meet up the necessary requirements. And INEC, in its wisdom, thought it wise not to honor such. And if you notice, INEC did not also upload Abure's name until Abure himself went to court. Through Justice Emeka Nwite, Abure was able to get judgments. If you go to INEC website, I want you to browse and look at INEC website. You will see that it's written by court order, which means that INEC never really honored what Abure did in Newi and Anambra State. So that is why when Abure went to court, of course, INEC being a law-abiding umpire had to also respect the court order by putting Abure's name there on their website. Now, the issue of the Supreme Court that took place today, it was courts that put Abure's name. It's the same court that also removed Abure's name. So I don't know why they are making noise from pillar to post. I was at the Supreme Court. All these people making noise, shouting from pillar to post, they were not even at the Supreme Court. They don't even know what the judges there said. I don't know where they're getting their narrative. What the judge said that Abure has outlived his tenure. Abure and his members have outlived their tenure according to the party's constitution. So I don't know why Abure will want to impose himself on people, and people are there supporting that impunity. We shouldn't even be in the first place.
Mr. Abure,
by virtue of that judgment.
Yes. While we await the certified true copy to understand the details of the court decision on this matter, it is also clear that the Apex Court mentioned that courts do not have jurisdiction when it comes to internal affairs of a party. Good example here is the leadership of the Labour Party. It means that the court is saying you have to return to, party mechanisms to have this solved. How do you see these two warring parties make progress with this?
When the party said that Abure has outlived his tenure, that means Abure does not have any tenure. Yes, we'll have some mechanism. We'll have the NEC, our elected members, talking about His Excellency Dr. Alex Chomoti of Abia State, his deputy, and others. That was why they came together to inaugurate the chairman that we enjoy today in the person of Usman Nenadi. So now, talking about internal mechanism of the party has to now revert back to itself for the leadership. That is why we have Usman and Darlington on board. So you can't put something on nothing and expect it to stand. Abure does not have a tenure. And because we have elected members, we have statutory delegates to NEC. Dr. Alex Chomoti is there. Abure does not even have any moral ground to stand and represent the Labour Party. So talking about that, of course, we have that in place.
Interesting development, and we probably will wait to see how these play out in the coming days. Julius Abure is former National Treasurer of the Labour Party. Thank you for talking to us.